Lock the door first, guys. Lock the door first, guys, before you ever do a video. But anyways, what's up, guys? It's Zara here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. And guys, today, well, there's not really much going on today in this video, but I'm just gonna show you this slime that I have. It makes noises too. And I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna be doing with it. I am going to be putting this glitter in there. If there's any more in here, hope there is, because it's just plain pink slime. So you know me, guys, all about the pizzazz. I can really see you guys, because it's kind of sunny outside. But anyways, let's get on with the video. But first, click that subscribe button, turn the notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Just kidding. I don't even have Instagram. I don't know what that is. I don't know. I need to get my shirt. I live in Lima, so you can go to the mall and get a shirt. Wait, I didn't get this in Lima. Anyways, by the way, I made this slime before I started the video. Sorry, but I'm not that kind of YouTuber that just does all the doing and making stuff in the video. Just do it before. Okay, don't go. Here. Stop. And here it is. It has a little glitter thing there. Hold on, let me turn on my light. Well, that didn't make a difference. But look really closely. You can see some glitter. Just squint your eyes and just look at that, guys. Right there. Now I'm gonna show you the fart noises that it makes. Okay. Here. By the way, if you wanna buy this, I think the best place to get it is in Lima at the Dollar Tree. That's where I got it from. Okay, so Flarp. It's called Flarp Noise Putty. Okay, then you're supposed to. Then I guess you're supposed to do that. Okay, and then put your thumb and then squish it in there. If you have slime. By the way, guys, shh, don't watch this video with a parent. Just kidding, you can't. But you should get the slime, this, and then sit beside him and do this. prank up your sleeve. There's not really that much in here, though. Look, you can turn it into basketball. It's basketball season.